Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by backing up important data, so factory reset removes nothing you need. Once done, make sure the phone is charged above 50% or connected to power to avoid interruption. Next, confirm you know the Google account and screen lock credentials because Android reactivation lock requires them after reset. Now open Settings, tap System, and choose Reset Options. This is the first actionable step to reach factory data reset quickly, and you proceed by selecting Factory Data Reset in Reset Options. This is where you remove personal data and restore defaults. Make sure to read the list of accounts and apps being removed so you don't miss anything critical. When you tap Erase All Data, the phone asks for your PIN or password to confirm. Enter it to prevent accidental wipes. After confirmation, the device will reboot and perform the reset automatically. This can take several minutes, depending on storage size. You complete the process by waiting for the device to reboot into the initial setup screen, then follow on-screen prompts to restore backups or set up as new. Make sure to sign in with the original Google account if activation lock appears. That confirms the reset succeeded. If the phone hangs or loops on boot, try a force restart first, and then enter recovery mode to wipe cache or repeat the factory reset. This troubleshooting step resolves most stalled resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.